To create a specialty foods e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, just go with login and type in your email or your username, one of them, the one that you prefer. And after typing your email, you click on next to proceed to type in your password, and it's loading now. We will be able to type in the password right now. So here, after typing the password, click on login. After logging in, the first step of creating your store is choosing a name for the store. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. So after choosing the name, click on continue. Then you have a question and you have 3 answers. You choose the answer that fits you most. Then you do the same with this other question. And then you proceed to choosing the category of the items that you will be selling. So here, my store is in the niche of specialty foods. So I'm going to choose food and drink category. And if you can't find your category in this list, just go with other, then click on continue. After that, if you already have a store in the real world, type in the address of that store. If not, just skip this step. And then you give them a few seconds to build your store, and then you proceed to your dashboard. As you can see, this is our dashboard. And in your right, you have the edit site button, and also we have the design now button, and both of them take us to the editing phase. And here in your left, we have 9 sections, and each one of these sections I'm going to explain it for you. And I'm going to start with website, where we have the edit site button again, and we have the domains button, where you can create or where you can set new domain name or change the one that you already have. Then we have the items section, where we have the site items if you want to create new products or change the ones that you already have. Then we have the site categories if you want to categorize the products that you created before, or if you just want to create categories. Then we have options, coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, and item preferences. And that's it for this section. Then we have the orders section, where you can check all of your orders, see the fulfilled one, the shipped one, the cancelled one, and so on. Then we have the fulfillment section, where you can set your pickup settings or set your shipping settings. Then we have the reports section, where we have the site's traffic reports, site's activity reports, sources reports, online sales reports, site items reports, and so on. And if you want to see the summary of all these reports, just go in summary. Then we have the marketing section, where you can find every tool that is related to growing your audience, starting from email, automated ads, mailing lists, segments, and setup. And if you want again to see the summary of all these tools, just click on summary. Then we have the communications section, where you have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. And then last but not least, we have the settings section, where you have the general settings. And basically it's where you can set your company name or change the one that you already have. You can also change your address, your phone number, and your email, as you can see in here. You can change all of these ones. Then we have the checkout section, where you can set your payment processors, like connecting your Stripe account or connecting your PayPal account. Then we have the sales taxes, where you can set your taxes settings. Then we have the units, where you can change the site's language or edit the units that you have. So that's it guys for these sections. Let's go back to the overview and let's proceed to the editing phase by clicking on the edit site button. And here we will just need to give it something around 30 seconds to load. So you won't even notice it. It will be loaded right now. And here we have the setup guide, as you can see, if you want to go with it. If not, just ignore it, it will disappear right now, and the site styles will show up right away. As you can see, we have the site styles. So basically you choose one of these styles and you check if it fits your template. So just wait for the template to be fully loaded, and then we will choose one of these styles and we will see if it fits our template. So here, this is the template, it's fully loaded as you can see, and let's choose one of these styles. So I'm going to choose this one, and let's see if it fits our store. So this one definitely doesn't fit our store. Let's choose this one, and let's see. So I think this one fits the store very good. I will just need to change the fonts. So I'm going to click on apply site styles. Then we proceed to the site's design. If you want to change the site styles again, and also if you want to add an image to be your logo, change colors or change fonts, which I'm going to change. I'm going to choose the comforter, this one, then click on done. Then here we have the shapes. If you want to change the shapes of the buttons also, so I'm going to change it to rounded, and then click on done. And then I'm going also, and also if you want to change the site's elements, you will need to upgrade your plan from the free one to the paid version. And when you're done, you click on done. Then if you want to search for a domain name, you type in the domain name in here. If not, just close this one and dismiss all, dismiss. And here you have the plus button if you want to add a new section or a new one of these, page or item. And also here you have the pages that you have in your template. If you want to hide one of them or show it, if you want to delete one of them, or if you want to move it down, move to another page, duplicate, you can pretty much do all of that in here. Also if you want to delete. And that's it guys for today's video. I just wanted to give you an idea about how this platform works. I hope I achieved that. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.